Dear students, today I am going to give you details information about the syllabus reduction for the academic year 2020-21 of Mathematics Part 2 for Standard 10. First only I want to tell you that whatever reduced content is there, reduction of the syllabus is there for this year. It is important for your higher studies, so should do the self study of whatever content of the syllabus is reduced in maths paper 2. So in the first chapter, similarity, the content which is reduced from the syllabus is property of angle bisector of triangle theorem, converse of angle bisector theorem, and property of three parallel lines and their transversals. So these 3 points are reduced from the syllabus. So let us see in details from page number 8. From page number 8, property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. Then page number 9, complete page number 9. Then page number 10, converse of angle bisector theorem, property of three parallel lines and their transversal. So this complete page is reduced from the syllabus. Then on from page number 11, only point number 3, remember this, only point number 3 and point number 4, which is based on theorem of angle bisector and property of three parallel lines, is reduced from the syllabus. From page number 12, solve example. Second activity from page number 12, solve example and activity. From page number 13, the activity is reduced from the syllabus. Then practice set 1.2. From practice set 1.2, question number 1. First question, in that first, second, third sub questions are reduced from the syllabus. Second example is not reduced, it is there in the syllabus. So now page number 14, practice set 1.2, page number 14, example number 3, 5, 6 and 7. 3, third example, fifth example, 6th and 7 are reduced from the syllabus. Now from page number 15, example number 8, 9 and 11. 8, 9 and 11 is reduced from the syllabus. Now directly page number 28, problem set 1, example number 8 and 9. Example number 8 and example number 9 is reduced, and page number 29, problem set 1, example number 10 is reduced in the syllabus. So this content is reduced from the syllabus. Now we will see on which topic you have to focus in this chapter. First chapter, similarity, you should focus on ratio of area of two triangles and its properties. So properties of ratio of area of two triangle is important in this first chapter. Then basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, you should focus more on these two theorems. Then its example on based on BPT and converse of BPT. Then the topic which you have to focus is similar triangles. This is the important test of similar triangles. And at last, the theorem of area of similar triangle, theorem of area of similar triangle, This part, on this part you should focus, and all examples from practice set 1.3 and 1.4. So 1.3 and 1.4 are important in this chapter. Now in second chapter, the reduced contents are application of Pythagoras theorem and Apollonius theorem. So these two topics are reduced from the chapter Pythagoras theorem. So we'll see in details about it. So page number 40, first page number 40, from page number 40, application of Pythagoras theorem, complete page is reduced from the syllabus. Then page number 41, Apollonius theorem, this also complete page. Then page number 42, complete page is reduced from the syllabus. Page number 43, practice set 2.2, complete practice set 2.2 is reduced from the syllabus. Now from problem set second, question number 1, page number 44, sixth sub question is reduced from the syllabus. Page number 45, example number 8, 9 and 12 are reduced from the syllabus. And at last page number 46, example number 17 and 18 are reduced from the syllabus. Now in the second chapter, Pythagoras theorem, the more important topics you should focus are, first is Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplet, should focus on Pythagorean triplet, property of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem, property of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle theorem, similarity and right angle of the triangle is important theorem. Then theorem of geometric mean is also important, which you have to study. Theorem of Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, its proof is important, which you have to do in details. All solved examples and practice set 2.1 is important for in this chapter in the syllabus. So the third chapter, circle, and very important chapter in the syllabus, okay, and one of the biggest chapter in maths paper 2. So in this chapter, the content which is reduced are theorem of angle between tangent and secant, converse of theorem of angle between tangent and secant, theorem of internal division of a chord, theorem of external division of a chord, tangent secant theorem. So these topics are reduced from the syllabus. So we'll see in details. Now from page number 75 till page number 82. So directly from page number 75, theorem of angle between the tangent and secant. So all this page 1 to 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81 and practice set 3.5, that is page number 82, entire practice set is reduced from the syllabus. So from page number 75 onwards, 75 starting from theorem of angle between tangent and secant till page number 82, this all pages are reduced from the syllabus. Now let us see from problem set page number 83. Problem set 3, question number 1, 7th example is reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 87, problem set 3, page number 87, problem set 3, example number 13 and 15 are reduced from the syllabus. Then page number 88, example number 16 and 18, example 16 and example 18 are reduced from the syllabus. Page number 89, 22nd and page number 90, example number 24 is reduced from the syllabus. So this is the part which is reduced from the third chapter. Now important topics which you have to focus in this chapter are the basic concept, basic elements of the circle like congruent circle, concentric circle, intersecting circle, and properties of circle, all properties of circle. Then what is secant tangent? The first theorem, that is tangent theorem, is important. Then converse of tangent theorem should focus. This is very important theorem, tangent segment theorem, which you have to focus more. Then practice set 3.1. Then theorem of touching circles externally and internally. Then arc of a circle. What is central angle? Measure of major arc, measure of minor arc, congruence of an arc, property of sum of the measures of the arc, this theorems of its theorem. Then inscribed angle, intercepted arc, inscribed angle theorem is important. Should focus more on it. Inscribed angle theorem. One of the important theorem in this chapter is cyclic quadrilateral theorem, theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, and its corollary. Then converse of cyclic quadrilateral. So these are the important parts which you have to focus in this chapter. Fourth chapter, geometrical construction. From this chapter there is no content reduced. This is the one of the important chapter, and mostly student like this chapter since there are all geometrical construction they have to do. So this chapter, entire chapter will be there in the syllabus. From fifth chapter, coordinate geometry, the reduced content is slope of a line. This topic is reduced from the syllabus. So from page number 116, slope of a line. From this slope of a line, then page number 117 till page number 121, all pages, page number 18, 19, then 20 and 21. These all pages are reduced. Practice set 5.3 is also reduced from the syllabus. Complete 5.3 from page number 1, 1, 2. These three examples from exercise practice set 5.3 are reduced from the syllabus. From page number 122, question number 1, problem set 5. Problem set 5, question number 1, fourth example is reduced from the syllabus. Then question number 2, entire question number 2 is reduced from the syllabus from page number 122. Then from page number 123, problem set 5, question number 9. Now the topics which you have to focus in these chapters are distance formula. First is important is distance formula in this chapter. Then next is section formula, distance formula, then section formula, then midpoint formula and centroid formula. So these are the important topic which you have to focus in the fifth chapter. Section formula, midpoint formula, centroid formula and distance formula. Sixth chapter, trigonometry. From this chapter, nothing has been reduced. Entire chapters will be there in the syllabus. Since this chapter is important in the field of science and engineering, so the content is of this chapter is as it is. It is one of the important chapter in paper second. From last chapter, mensuration, the content which is reduced from the syllabus is segment of a circle, area of a segment. These two topics are reduced from the syllabus. So from page number 156 to 160. So page number 156, segment of a circle. This is reduced. Area of a segment. Then entire page 157, 158, 159, practice set 7.4 is completely reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 160. From page number 160, problem set 7. Problem set 7. Here nothing is reduced. From page number 161, 10th example is only reduced from problem set 7. So this was the reduced content of chapter number 7. 7th chapter you have to focus more on the formulas which you have studied already. Volume, surface area of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere, and example based on it, closed figures. Then area of a sector of a circle, then length of an arc of a circle, so this topic you have to focus more in this chapter.